Nasa isang high value man ka ba ngayon or nasa isang Mr. Bare Minimum? Yo, what's up? This is Real Talk Darbs. And today, pag-uusapan natin is about high value men. At tutulungan kitang mag-decide kung sakaling nasa isang high value man ka ba or nasa isang Mr. Bare Minimum lang pala. But before that, let's first differentiate. Ano nga ba ang isang high value man versus sa isang Mr. Bare Minimum? Bare minimum means performing the minimum required set of things that doesn't go over your level. It is giving the other person the least amount of yourself that they need to stay interested. Sa madaling salita, basic requirement lang. Basic lang ang sa'yo'y pinaparamdam at pinapakita. For example, ang gusto ng isang babae sa isang lalaki ay pogi, mayaman, at mabait. Ang bare minimum sa tatlo ay pagiging pogi. Joke, pagiging mabait. So kung sakaling hindi mabait si lalaki, dapat canceled na yung two other requirements. Kasi kung ikaw, isang babae, dapat basic na maging isang karelasyon ng isang taong mabait at mabuti. Not unless gusto mo ng masamang ugali, di ba? Now, ano naman ang isang high value man? According to the knowledge for men, a high value man is the epitome of masculinity, leadership, charm, and sophistication. He is a man of means and influence, loved by women at tinitingala din ng kapwa niya lalaki. At gumagalaw confidently and gallantly kahit may mga challenges sa buhay niya. At ginagawa niya ito with courage and pride. Sa madaling salita, imagination. For real. There are actually 3 characteristics ng isang high-value man. Number 1, he adds more values than he takes. A high-value man is sure enough sa kanyang sarili to own his value and share from a place of abundance. For sure, marami kang lalaking kakilala that is operating from a place of scarcity. Dapat dun ka sa isang lalaki that's operating in a place of abundance. Number 2, he is not needy at hindi nagsisik ng approval. Men who needs other people's approval para maramdaman na importante sila ay mga weak na lalaki. Because it makes it hard for them to own their own power. Kailangan pa nilang may magsabi sa kanila na mahalaga sila at importante sila para malaman yung worth and value nila bilang isang lalaki. A high value man knows his value regardless if someone tells them or not. Mahirap respetuhin ng isang lalaki who can't do anything for himself. So, his worth goes down. Number 3. He has goals for his life and works towards reaching them. Walang may gusto sa isang lalaki na walang pangarap. There is nothing less attractive than a man who doesn't know where he's going in life. Fills his time with materialism at mga superficial pleasures ng buhay. However, are these qualities so rare that some people think that it's really a high-value man and not Mr. Bare Minimum? So ano yung mga 3 bagay na pwede nating makuha sa sinasabi ko? Number 1, consistency. Listen to me when I say that consistency is very, very attractive. Yes, yung lalaki na yon posibleng may pangarap at may mga aspiration sa buhay. But without being consistent, wala rin. That there are a lot of men who has dreams, but very few men wakes up and makes them come true. Honestly, there's a lot of men na pwede nating tawaging boyfriend material. But what really makes a man stand out is his ability to be consistent. Kung paano siya makikipag-communicate at makikipag-usap sa'yo, kung gaano siya ka-reliable, and how he shows interest in you. Kung consistent ang isang lalaki on small parts of your relationship, like pagtupad sa mga napag-usapan yung maliliit na bagay, tulad ng anong oras kayo magkikita sa date, tulad ng sabi niyang magse-celebrate kayo ng anniversary, at hindi niya nakakalimutan na magdala ng pasalubong para sa family mo na i-visit nyo. Kung consistent siya sa mga ganitong klaseng bagay, he will be a strong and stable long-term partner. Number 2, do not rush. Magkakaiba naman ang mga tao. Maybe a bare minimum for you. Pero sa iba, hindi pala. However, the key here is to never rush. Kung sa tingin mo ay hindi na-meet ng taong ito ang bare minimum mo, then wag mo silang sisihin. Just move forward. After all, choice mo naman yun, di ba? Pwede mong tanggapin, pwede mong hayaan na lang. And the thing that would help you make the right decision is knowing what you deserve. Let's not rush those people who are also taking their time and learning what works for them as well. Kung hindi ka makapaghintay, di huwag ka maghintay. Let me repeat that. People treat you on how you wanted to be treated. Number 3, check yourself. I always say that there are things that starts from within. Kung gusto mong maka-attract ng high-value man, then be a high-value woman. We also need to check ourselves first. Because remember, kung alam mo yung value mo, hindi ka papayag ng makakakuha at makakapartner ng hindi mo deserve. You will even actually fight for yourself. Rely on yourself first. Then, it will just follow. Real talk. A lot of you, including mga admins ko, are wondering bakit single pa rin si Kuya Darbs. Kasi baka iniisip nyo na that I think highly of myself. Na parang walang makaka-reach kay Real Talk Darbs. Honestly, no. The reason as to why I'm still single is that I feel that I still need to work on myself. So that the woman that I would choose me too. Kasi alam niya na deserve niya ako. Hindi lang ako nakatingin ngayon sa mga hindi ko deserve yan. Kundi, nakatingin na rin ako sa hindi niya deserve ito, kaya aayusin ko. It's not just about me anymore. Sa lahat ng mga nanonood ngayon, we all want the same thing. May iba't iba lang tayong season or journey. But at the end of the day, we only want to feel loved. At magmamahal din tayo balang araw. The greatest thing that we can learn is just to love and be loved in return. So while waiting, let's not stop improving and learning so that we may be able to get what we are praying for.
Sa hindi inaasahang tatagpo